Yeah, again folks, I thought you were all been good, but of course I'm driving by here, Annbank's up there, right, and that's the Ayr road down there, so this is the back Annbank road. Fun this rubbish there going to my workshop, it's at the top of the hill there. I've raked through it all, and I thought, I've no fun, nothing, but I have fun something. Now look, do you recognise this Hoover? You recognise this, right? Well, one thing you forgot. You didn't well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six bags and man in the suitcase. Man in the suitcase no more. You see that bag there? Letter with an address on it. I'll never accuse anybody. There you go, man in the suitcase, eh? Man in the suitcase. Well, I'm going to name the street because I can't name the name or the house number. But what I can say, Afton Avenue was blowing. That's this here with the address on it. Afton Avenue was blowing. Come on, come back and get this, uplift it, because I'm going to take this further. If South Ayrshire Council, if I take this to South Ayrshire Council with this and they do nothing, it's time the people responsible at South Ayrshire Council were questioning their positions, because I've had enough of this, finding rubbish and South Ayrshire Council doing nothing, right? I've got it there. Afton Avenue is blowing. South Ayrshire Council, tomorrow I'll contact you. And I don't want blank answers. I don't want stupidity. I don't want somebody to say somebody's planted this in here. I want action as the people of Annbank there want and Ms. Blown want. So there you go. Afton Avenue is blowing. Watch this space.